Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to charge the Jackery Explorer 300 portable power station. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got the Jackery portable power station Explorer 300. How do you actually go ahead about charging it? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But essentially how to charge it is that there is a few different ways, but one of the ways I'm going to show you is going to involve the adapter. And this usually depends on what model of Jackery portable power station you have. So in order to charge the Power Station Explorer 300, all you've got to do is insert this into the input of the Jackery and then plug this DC input into your car. So this DC input gets plugged into your car, and then with the input, that is going to go ahead and charge your Jackery portable power station. And so with that, it takes about 5 hours to fully charge this, and so that does tend to last quite a bit of time. But I hope this helps answer your question, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.